One, as you can see, I just reached into the bucket of locks again that Zombie Lock sent me and pulled out another Texas Gem lock. Just grabbed the lock off the top, just happened to be another TJ. And this one is a Dorma. It is a 6-pin Schlage. Yeah, should be a pretty fun lock to get into. These Schlages make really good challenge locks. And it's really easy to slide off this warding and screw yourself up. But if you take it nice and slow and easy, you'll do just fine. I think I'm going to use this pick here. Kind of a sweep. I've really begun to like this pick. It's got a nice thin profile with a really, really long, shallow hook. Got a lot of counter rotation off of one. A lot of clicks off of 3. A little click off of 4. Nice click off of 5. A little counter on 6, and that clicked. Another click off of 5. Man, this lock's talking to me. There's a click off of 4, 3, 2. Okay, I think I've run out of what I can do with this pick. I need something a little bit taller now. Actually, a lot of bit taller. So I'm going to go with this hook here. It's kind of halfway in between a deep hook and a medium hook. A nice solid click out of 5. That wasn't actually a pin setting, that was me sliding off of a pin. And I need to go back to the shallow hook for a second so I can check pin 6. And there we go, we're open off of 5. Alright. Another one bites the dust, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, I'm going to get my screwdriver. Whoa! Okay, that's a long screw. There we go. And I dropped that screw. It's on the carpet somewhere here, so I don't need both those screws to put it back together. Okay, I did not feel any T-pins. And I see that every chamber is threaded. There you go. You can see that pretty well. Alright, chamber 1 is a short stubby with 1 serration. 2 serrations on 2. 2 serrations further spaced apart on 3. A serration and a spool on 4. 5 is a double serration. And 6 has 3 nice cuts in it, very evenly spaced. Whoa, that one shot out there, but it was a spool, kind of like a double spool. That one's kind of a serrated spool. Another serrated spool. Another serrated spool. And a double spool. 6 was a kind of a serrated spool. Alright. Looking like we've got some variation in the springs here, so give me a second while I get them out. Okay, got a copper in 1, steel in 2, copper in 3, steel in 4, copper in 5, and 6. Okay, actually that was 6. 5 is stuck in there. I don't think I've got a hook out that's deep enough to reach that, but it looks like a copper spring. And the Bible on this one is completely smooth. I don't see any modifications there. Alright, so let's go ahead and show you these pins. Alright, I've got a nicely single sharp serration with a double spool, a double serrated with another double spool, kind of serrated, another serrated with wider cuts, and a serrated spool, then a serrated spool with another spool with a serration on the top. Then 5 is a double serrated, and above it is a double spool, and a triple cut on 6 with another serrated spool. That's what we have in this lock that Texas Jim built, and something just went real funky with my camera. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but I don't know what's going on there. Anyway, everybody stay safe, don't do anything illegal, and as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm sorry, but I forgot to say it again. Thank you, Zombie Lock.